So, all because I tried to put a bracket or a drawer bracket, drawer catch here. Drilled a little pilot hole there. That pilot hole, I only went in with the drill bit about a 1/4 inch, and then psh, Freon blew out of that hole. I hit coils in there. Who would have known coils were sandwiched in between here and right up close to this frame where there's other bolts in here, supporting bolts. There's a Freon coil, condenser coil right in here, right up next to this front frame. So guys, don't do that. Don't screw brackets or catches into your refrigerator. That's an expensive mistake. But now we get to pick our model. This one we didn't get to pick. It came with the coach. I'd like to get a double French door one. We'll see. Alright, got the drawer out, drawer assembly, loosened up or removed 4 screws at the top bracket up here. Bracket up there. Remove those. And there's 2 screws in the bottom. One in this hole, one in this hole, angled down into the wood, underneath the wood framing. So I got it pulled out about 1.5 inches so far. Looks like I can't get the door off until I remove the whole assembly out. So we're gonna slide it out and tilt it down onto here. We've got a doggy bed underneath, make it a little softer and thicker, protect the tile. Guys, we got it all. We got the residential refrigerator out, our 2014 Tiffin 36 LA. Slid it out, me and my wife. Showed you where the screws were retaining it at the top and in through that bottom grill area on the fridge. After we got it out, I was able to lean it over, and then I removed the top hinge bracket and the door slid up and off. We got all the drawers out. I should have had the glass drawers and stuff out from the get-go. I forgot about that stuff. But now it's pretty much an empty shell. And I'm just going to get the dust off the top here first. And I'm going to make a cut with the Sawzall metal blade. Cut right through this thing like butter, hopefully. Slice it down. This is the back. This is the back here. So slice it this way. Down, across the top, across the inside here, straight across, all the way down and down through the freezer there. Then it'll be narrower. It'll be narrower to fit out our door. Not have to remove the windshield or the driver's side window assembly. Too much work. And then I'll have to shop for a residential fridge that fits in this opening. I could modify it a little bit, maybe lower the floor, because all residential fridges are close to 70 inches, 68 to 70 inches now. I think this was 65 something, 65 inches tall. All right, here we go. longer blade, about 2 inches longer. Almost got it though. See, this is a 6-inch saw blade right here. 6-inch. It's going through pretty good except for the corners. It's not getting into very good. Part of this bottom here too. So I think I got to go out to Lowe's and get a 9-inch blade. We'll be done with this. Alright guys, I went through it one last time. Went through like butter, of course. I followed the same cut. This is a 9-inch blade. Before, I was using this pack of 6-inch blades from Harbor Freight. I thought if they got dull, I could move on to another coarser one. But the first one worked well. It just didn't get all the way through in the corners. So we're going to take a closer look at this thing now. Alright, little plastic piece of the inside. Did not get the blade cut all the way through it, so just gotta snip that. I think I can get those with my my tin snips. Alright, got it guys, I'm happy for once again. Split in 2 pieces. Now I can easily get it out this doorway here. No removing windshields or driver side glass assemblies. This we can remove. So just got to get this removed, everything cleaned up, take measurements of my cabinet space, and that'll be about it for this video guys. Stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, and you'll see which replacement refrigerator that I end up picking out and getting for the replacement. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you on the next one. Styrofoam everywhere. Roll of duct tape before you start moving this stuff around. It can be very dangerous. These jagged edges and stuff up here, you don't want to use bare hands on that. And even if you have gloves, wrap it up those corners with some duct tape, with a couple rows of duct tape. That's what I'll do now.
You're so smart. You need me to help you now? You just want to get both pieces out first.
Yep.
Got it?
All right, I just remembered something. I might need this top upper bracket off this fridge because it doesn't come standard on fridges. They just add these when you're installing them in an RV. This bracket right here. Notice no screws in it. Guys, I can't stress this enough, the importance. Don't screw into your refrigerator. Use 2-part epoxy or something like that made from metals. Don't make the same mistake I did. So I'm just gonna see if I can use a hammer and screwdriver and get underneath here and get this off. Get it off with just a screwdriver and a hammer. Like I said, they didn't screw it in. They just used some sort of epoxy to attach it. So we'll just have to clean that part up. And here's the refrigerator graveyard in our garage right now.